talking about that shit? Sticking a cigarette pack in the magazine well. And freaking and all the cigarettes are like, boom.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a zombie game. The object is zombies invade the village and the humans help defend each other. If they are shot by the zombies, they become a zombie. Basically, Zombat.
Hang out, reloading.
There's the field marshal, Chris.
Yep.
Great guy.
What do you got there?
That's the owner of the field, ladies and gentlemen. And he kicks ass because he lets me use my airsoft grenades.
Ow, motherfucker.
Thank you, that's good footage.
I was trying to shoot him in the foot.
Ow! You sound like Steve Urkel. Ow! Did I do that? Ow!
Hey, red guy.
Hey, don't do that! Ow!
You hit me like the top of the boot, so it still felt
I'm gonna head out into the woods, see if I can find anything.
You're all going to be infected. Objective update. Make it happen. Don't shoot the malpractice. We need them. You need to search all your humans and find a cigarette and bring it to me.
nothing on the one side.
You have 1.5 mics.
Alright, thanks, son. Yeah. Drive by shooting, yeah. Okay, I'm looking at it. In the swamp? Okay.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to try to go into the woods if I can. I think they're in the woods. I'm not sure. This guy here is running. Going through the woods a little bit. See? There's some movement. Can't really tell, so I'll just stay in the village. Engaging targets right now, ladies and gentlemen. These games kind of do go slow at first.
Upstairs, look for your eat, you walk.
Great thing about overcast day like this is
Hey, semi only. You got room? Yeah. I'm coming over. Battlefield.
Has any human gotten shot yet?
No, I don't think so.
This ain't Zombat. This is sitting around and play solitaire and wait for the guy to show up.
I'm about to run up there and just get shot.
This is just waiting around to get your butt handed to you. Yeah, bring an airsoft hooker. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an airsoft hoe. Ha ha ha. Gotta love that barrel condom, a pack of cigarettes.
Dude, keep that eye pro on. Don't do that.
This is the field in the swamp. Whoa! Swamp side, yeah. Hey, Ma! I'm Caleb. Hey, dude.
Huh?
Hey, dude.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Dude, he's got some old school flight technology. We lost one guy.
Yeah, I know. I hate those things.
We lost another one.
How's the fog?
Awesome. Love it. I hate it, actually. It sucks balls.
I know, I wore those.
Not yet, but I'm about to be.
Can't see jack crap. Oh, thank you. Oh, God.
First to turn into a zombie going out. Hey, eyes on that guy, bro. He's gonna turn into a zombie.
Woo! Turn into a zombie? I got it.
This is what I like about being a spectator. I don't have to worry about getting my head shot off. I can enjoy the game. Come on, zombies, attack! Give me some footage! No! Get the hell in here, move! No! If you need an extra marshal, I could help you out there, Chris. Since I've already dressed up in the gear, I could help out just in case, you know, anyone's cheating or whatever.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah. I don't mind doing marshalling. Gives me a chance to learn everybody. Hey everyone, this is my good friend Devin. He's a real airsoft douchebag. No, I'm just kidding. That's why your pistol won't fire, homosexual. Uh-oh, we have engagement, ladies and... Did you get him with that pistol?
Yeah, I did.
Good shot, bro.
Dude, he shot you while you were like falling down.
Yeah, I got hit like 8 times.
Zombies in the rear! Zombies in the rear!
Watch out, zombies like to do you in the rear.
Whole thing on film.
Zombies like to do you in the rear. Watch out.
Your boy not shot either?
I thought he did.
Contact coming in for the pond.
Sure.
2.
This is how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. When you get attacked by zombies, you all crowd into the building.
Hey, all the contacts seem to be on the north side.
Oh, beat my ass, Paul.
There's a bunch of them coming in the pond. Yeah, copy. Switch the pond. I have visual. I'm covering 3 lines, they move.
Here, you guys cover. What you see, Blake? What? See anything?
Now the game is starting to get intense, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, bro, you see anything?
No, not yet. Nothing.
I'm going to have to end it right here pretty soon, ladies and gentlemen.
He's in. He's out. Yep. Okay. Way back. Hey guys in the tower, watch yourself. The northwest corner. Man, you're gonna die one day. Hey, Russ. Yeah. Do not abandon this window.
Someone in the great building.
Someone
Is that a guy in the great building?